least we know what depth they're at. Hey guys, welcome to another YakFish TV production. I'm Robert Field, and as usual, I'll be your host. You're about to watch part 2 of extreme offshore kayak fishing, where I'll be heading out off Florida's southeast coast with Eric McDonald from Deep Blue Kayak Fishing. Now, Eric's a guy that I've been talking to online for 2 years now, so he feels like a great friend, but I'm actually just now meeting him for the first time on this trip. Well, he's let me tag along tomorrow, and he asked me, what species do you want to catch? I did not even have to think about it. A sailfish. Check out part 2 and see if I get one of my top bucket list species. Alright guys, so day 1 here in South Florida went amazing. Got my first mahi. Tomorrow I'm going to be going out with Eric McDonald from Deep Blue Kayak Fishing. And if I'm lucky, he says he could put me on a sailfish. So I am not the first person that Eric has showed the ropes out here. Eric actually owns Deep Blue Kayak Fishing. So if someone wants to book a charter with Deep Blue, do they have to be experienced? Can they be new? What kind of people do you take out?
They can be brand new. I mean, they can even be under the age of 16 with an adult waiver sign, but we will take everybody out. Whether you have a kayak, whether you have the gear, it doesn't matter. If you don't have it, we will supply everything for you. Most important thing to us is putting you on a big pelagic.
Alright, so you heard the man. Whether you're an experienced kayaker or it's your first time, call Deep Blue. They'll take you offshore, provide all the gear you need, show you the ropes, and put you on the fish of a lifetime.
Thank you, Robert Field.
Stoked for tomorrow, man. I hope we get on them.
We'll get them, I promise.
Alright guys, Christina and I are about to launch and go meet Eric and Matt out on the water.
Alright, now Eric's going to describe the general drift strategy for the day.
While drifting north with the current, we are going to zigzag from west to east within 100 feet of water, all the way out to 190, 200 feet of water. Once somebody hooks up, we will get an idea of the depth where the sailfish are at. If someone hooks up in 150 feet of water, more than likely there's going to be more than one sailfish in 150 feet of water. We will stay within that area and drift north to our landing spot. From the landing point, we will call a taxi or Uber. We'll go get our pickup trucks, load up, and we will drive back to the launch spot.
Alright, so Christina Weber and I just spotted Eric McDonald. We're gonna go meet up with him, see if he's had any luck so far, and see if he's got any intel for us. Got any luck yet?
Bonita and whatever cut me off.
Yeah. Yeah.
What about you?
We just started. I had a bait out for 5 minutes and then got cut off, and I just put one back on. I'm ready to catch some fish.
Now let's cut back to day 1, where I'll explain the technique we're using now called vertical jigging.
All right, so what we're gonna try now, we're gonna try vertical jigging. Basically, you drop this big jig down there, let it hit the bottom or get close, and then you're gonna continually pop it while you're reeling up real fast. It is an exhausting way to fish, but if you're not pulling it up fast, these fish won't be interested, so let's give it a shot, see if I don't blow my shoulder out.
All right, now that I've explained the technique, let's get back to the action.
Vertical jigging is easily one of the most exhausting types of fishing I've ever done. Right up there with snagging for paddlefish. Oh man, my shoulder is shot. Ooh, fish out! Oh my gosh. Woo! Got a feeling some bonita. Oh! Woo! I got this line coming on the wrong side of me. That is not a bonita, no freaking way. I gotta get some line back. I don't know enough line on this to be. I see color, I can't tell what it is yet. I just see blue. No way! No freaking way! Are you serious? Freaking bonita. These fish are ridiculous. I could have sworn that was a tuna or something, and it's just another damn bonita.
I feel like you should kill it.
Yeah? Should I? Alright, we're gonna keep this guy for bait. And just to get rid of one more bonita that's out here. He's bleeding. We got a bleeder. There's blood all over my feet. Vertical jigging is ridiculous. You're already worn out, your shoulder's shot just from jigging it, and then all of a sudden your rod bends over and now you gotta fight these pelagic fish. Well, I came here to catch some new species, and bonita is a new species for me. But after catching about 4 or 5 of them, I think I'm about over it. That one is fat. Oh man, it's crazy to me that bonita are one of the smaller and weaker fish I'm gonna catch out here. That was a battle in itself. We found a good depth at 200. Christina just had a smoking run. I caught that bonita. Eric's hicked up twice and lost fish, so we're gonna stay at about 200 feet and keep jigging and keep our live baits out at the same time. See if we can't hook up on either one. At least we know what depth they're at. Woo! Fish on! Found something bigger. Got bit on the live bait. Fish on! Woo! It's not jumping, so I don't know what it is. Maybe a king? Please don't be a bonita. I don't know. It took off a ton of line and now it's worn out after that first run. I don't see color yet. I got a feeling this is another bonita. Oh, I can see it. I can't tell what it is yet. What are you? It's a king. It's a kingfish. King mackerel. Ooh. That was a hard fight after just fighting that bonita. Oh man. Now Eric's hooked up again. They're here. We found the depth, and I'm guessing it's probably a bunch of kings. Are you hooked up? No, Christina's hooked up. We're on him now. Oh man, that was a fun fight. He took so much line off in the beginning. Oh man, what a run he made right off the bat. They get bigger than that, but that's still a fun fight. Whew, not a bad fish at all. The first Florida kingfish. Now I came here to catch mahi, sailfish, tuna, a lot of the fish that we can't find in Texas, but I will take a decent king any day of the week. They are just a fun fighting fish, no matter what state you're in. Whew. Whew. Well, we found them right here at 200 feet. So we're gonna keep jigging and throwing out live bait here, see if we can't keep hooking up. It's been a slow morning, but it seems like the bite's turned on. Let's get back after it. I'm loving this Moby holder from Railblaza. It's perfect for holding your phone if it's in a waterproof case like the Optrix, or I use it for my VHF radio so I can keep it handy, not have to have it on my live vest in the way. Keeps it secure. It's really versatile. You can hold pretty much anything in this thing. And the nice thing is it fits in the universal starport, so you don't have to drill some new mount for it. Just put it in any of the existing starports you got in your boat. You can move it around. If you don't need it on a certain trip, just take it off, put a camera boom in its place. Just really versatile, really handy to have on your boat.
So we stayed at 200 feet for a while and caught a bunch of kingfish and bonita.
I'm hooked up, Christina's hooked up. She says she's getting spooled right now. You all right?
Yes.
And while these fish are a ton of fun, they're not the species I drove 1,300 miles to catch. I was looking for something else.
Not a huge king. Cut that out. See what else we can get into. Still got a few hours left.
You might want to do that again. That was not so hard.
Holy sh! Oh my god, dude, that's a big shark. We got a huge shark over here messing with us. Dude, that is big. He's coming right for you. Yeah. Ah! We just had a huge nurse shark following our group. She came out and checked out every one of our boats and then took off. We thought it was a big bull at first. It is too cool out here. You never know what you're gonna see. Big shark. Hey, I caught a pufferfish. Woo! Christina's hooked up to a sail now. We going for a ride. Christina's hooked up to a sailfish. You can barely keep up. There he is! Yeah!
Guys, we got a water spout in the distance. Keep your eyes open and be safe.
Yeah, if Christina got picked up by a funnel cloud while she was fighting a sail, that would be epic footage. She's working it like a boss. You can already see her leader, he's close. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Yes! The last thing I want is something to jump up in my lap or into my face.
Broke it.
No way.
Yeah, that was my fault. That was my fault.
Oh.
That was my fault.
Oh no.
It's okay.
I mean, you leadered it.
I'm okay with that.
Technically, that's a catch. You leadered it good.
Yeah, I pulled on the leader and I wrapped it around the swivel.
Well, hey, you leadered it. I mean, you caught a sailfish. That's the rules, so.
Oh, I know I caught it. It was out here shopping.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry that happened.
It's not a big deal. It was my fault. I'm okay with it. I got it. I almost had it.
Yeah. Well, hey, you leadered your first sailfish. That counts. That was badass. Nice! I had all 4 cameras rolling. I mean, I got so many shots of it jumping in front of you. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be epic.
I know.
Well, Christina just fought that sailfish like a boss. Unfortunately, as she was trying to go for the bill, the line got wrapped around the swivel up top and cut the line when it made one last run. I know she's heartbroken, but she leadered the fish. That counts. It was an epic battle. I'm proud of her. That was nice. That was a good catch. Let's get some more. Woo! I keep being told that choppy weather like this is ideal for sailfish. My best chance at a sailfish will be this hour when it's this rough. Here's the hoping. Fish on! I'll be honest, this kind of feels like a shark. I'm almost positive it's a shark. Got head shakes. Feels like a shark. Yeah. Seeing head shakes. No, it's a sailfish! Sailfish! It's a sailfish! Woo! Pedaling to kind of gain some line because it's taking out a lot of line. We are hooked up to a sailfish, ladies and gents. Gotta make sure I don't screw this up. It has been a rough trip. This might make up for it, but it's not in yet. I'm paddling, I got the drag tightened, and he's still keeling off line. Alright, he's close to the boat now. Oh my God, I see my fluoro leader. He's right here. He's worn out, but he's still got energy. Woo, he is taking me for a ride. like he's still winning this fight. Gotta get this guy in, he won't give up. Woo! You see it? Woo! Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my god. That was a beating, dude. This guy would not give up. Woo! Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is what I came to South Florida for, and on day 2 I got one. Oh man, he started off with head shakes. I thought it was a shark, and then I turned around and saw him jumping, and I knew I had what I came here for. Woo! Oh my gosh. All right, let's get this guy back in the water, revive him, let him on his way. Get his mouth in the water and revive this guy. That was awesome! Yes! Nice! Woo! Day 2, out with Eric McDonald from Deep Blue Kayak Charters, and I got my first sail. Yes! Oh my gosh, that was such an incredible experience. I came to South Florida to catch new species, and sailfish was right at the top of the list. And here I am on day 2, and I got one. That was intense. Woo-hoo! Oh my gosh, I am exhausted. Huge thanks to Eric McDonald, Matt Eckert from Deep Blue Kayak Charters. They helped put me on this fish, the fish of a lifetime. If you're in South Florida and you want to get out here and do this, hit up Deep Blue Kayak Charters and they'll put you on some fish. And huge thanks to Mark Steven Kraus, the Munich man, for building me this incredible offshore custom sailfish rod. He even put a sailfish emblem on it to wish me good luck. and I'd say it paid off. Thank you, Mark. You made this possible. I'm Robert Field. You're watching YakFish TV, and that was a sailfish from the kayak. Woo!
It's difficult to describe the feeling of accomplishing a goal after 1,300 miles in the tundra, thousands of dollars in gear, and countless hours of preparation. To come down here to Florida and knock out my top 2 target species has been a dream.
My man.
And while the fishing has been nothing short of incredible, just as awesome are the new friends I've made along the way.
Robert Field's here, celebrity.
Thank you, Megan. Thank you.
I love it longer.
They're good, yeah. I don't know.
I love it longer, baby. My love is stronger and stronger.
If you ask me, there's no better way to end a great day of fishing than relaxing with a cold drink, swapping fish stories with some of the most talented anglers I know, and pioneers in the sport of kayak fishing.
You look in real time. In real live action.
Field tested, feel the bruise. I am out.
This trip has been an experience that I will remember for the rest of my life.
I don't even know if you're in the shot right now. Dude, it's that person's in the shot. All right.
Field, jump a line out.
Are you serious?
I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding.
Yeah, but you're on me, right? Like, you say you're kidding, but you are wrapped around me, right? It's a terrible joke. You suck at joking.
And Instagram is _kayakfishing_. Excuse me.
Telling you, bro, you bring a woman out here, next thing you know.
You're pretty tan for a fucking redhead. I've been working on it. You're tanner than I am. South Florida. You are. South Florida. Got that tan going. Not catching fish, but the tan is strong. Hey, it's one or the other. Yeah, why don't I ever use that? And then 2 days ago, or whatever that was. All you gotta do is hit it again. No, I know. Oh, I know now. Deep blue kayak fishing, teaching YakFish TV how to operate cameras. That's happening right now. That's definitely not making it in the video. All right.